Welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Shuttle OMNINAS, which is your own private cloud. It gives you mobility, it's cool, it's stylish, dual core, and ease of use. This is a grammatical anomaly because these should all be kind of the same thing. So it should say mobile, cool, stylish, powerful, and easy to use, or it should say mobility, coolness, stylishness, I don't know, whatever. Okay, don't worry about it. This is the KD20. It's a 2-bay NAS that supports single or dual 3.5-inch hard drives up to a total of 8 terabytes and beyond. RAID 0, RAID 1, JBOD, and single hard drive modes are available. Performance is 75/55 megabytes, reads and writes, remote access from iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. It has a media server, a print server, and an iTunes server. Auto copy feature for USB 3 and card reader. That's handy, actually. Bluetooth downloads without a PC. No way, it has Bluetooth on it? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, cool. OmniTouch hot swap button, connectors, one USB 3, two USB 2, an SD card reader, and let's open this bad boy up. So what do they mean by your own private cloud? Well, they mean that through the apps that are well, not included, obviously. You can't include an app, but you could make it available on the App Store and on Google Play. So through the apps that are available for the device, you can access your files and your pictures and your music and all that kind of cool stuff on the go, much like you could if you stored it in the cloud. However, instead of relying on a pay-per-use cloud service or something where you have to upload all your files to someone else who you don't know and don't necessarily trust, you can build your own cloud for the cost of an OmniNAS and a couple of hard drives. Here are your hard drive mounting screws. Here is your gigabit Ethernet cable. Here is your power connector, and here is the cord that goes with it. See, it plugs into there. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Wait for it. I'm going to try to do it. And boom, just like that. Okay, they also include a quick start guide, user manual, and OmniNAS Finder utility. These can be handy, these Finder utilities, because sometimes stuff just doesn't show up until you use the Finder utility. Like, it's so stupid. My Netgear switch, I have a smart switch, could not find it without the Finder utility. And now the Finder utility doesn't even work. Good thing I configured it already. All right, quick start guide shows you how to quickly get started. Installation of drives is as simple as screwing in a drive and sliding in the whole thing, but we'll show you that once we open it up. Power button, yeah, okay, this is all stuff we should be able to figure out relatively easily. Plug the thing into the thing and the things into the other things. Okay, powering on the system, press the power button to power it on. These are like instructions for my mom, which is good. Although, you know what? I really still don't think she could handle it, and I hope my mom's not watching this video because she thinks she's tech savvy. All right, so there's the power button. You can tell from that symbol. My mom still can't figure that out, to give you some idea. She'll be like, oh, the power button's not labeled. I'm like, Ma, that symbol, that means power on everything. USB 3, I love my mother, I really do. She can't do that. SD card reader, there's your USB indicator, your hard drive activity indicators for hard drives 1 and 2. The push here is clearly labeled, although, you know what, she could probably figure that out. Okay. And then you can easily pull out the trays where you can screw in the hard drives very, very easily. I'd use these ones right here. Not compatible with 2.5-inch drives, although most people aren't using those for storage at this point in time. You can see the SATA interface at the back. You can also see everything's sort of well perforated, so you shouldn't have any trouble with ventilation in here. However, I would like to, there you go, that's pretty straightforward. I'd like to check out, aha, we have a 60 mil cooling fan in the back, so that'll take care of keeping things cool. DC and Kensington lock, gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 2.0 ports, more vents down here, and something that I haven't brought up yet, and that is the very gorgeous aluminum, check that out, thick anodized aluminum piece that goes all the way from the bottom to the top, to the side and then to the top, and looks just outstanding. So this will look great next to you on your desk or under your desk. It'll be durable or whatever else you need to do with it. And yeah, love those nice little touches because it just sets it apart from all the cheap plastic NAS boxes that are out there because it's made of aluminum. It's also very cold, very soothing. So I think that pretty much covers it. This isn't rocket science. It's a NAS. It's a 2-bay NAS. It's not unreasonably expensive. There's apps that go along with it. Thank you for checking out my unboxing and first look at the OmniNAS from Shuttle. Don't forget to subscribe to Linus Tech Tips for more unboxings, reviews, and other computer videos.